Good morning, children. Jayadar speaking. Now, today we will do first 7.5 exercise 1 and 2. I have already discussed. Now, I will discuss question number 3. The question is Shubham painted 2 by 3 of the wall, 2 by 3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall. 1/3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? Let's see. Shubham painted. Solution. Shubham painted 2 by 3 part. Madhvi painted 1 by 3 part. Therefore, together they painted 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That means the fraction is, the denominator is 3, same denominator, so you can add this 2 plus 1, that means 3 by 3. What can you say about 3 by 3? Yes, it is 1. That is complete 1. Therefore, how much did they paint together? They painted the complete wall. How much did they paint together? They paint the complete wall. Understood? Therefore, they have painted the, one means complete, understood? Okay. Now the next sum is question number 4. Fill in the missing fractions. Something you have to subtract from 7 by 10. Sign is minus. So something you have to subtract, some fraction you have to subtract from 7 by 10 to get 3 by 10. Some fraction. Now, as the denominator in both the place is 10, so what you can do? So the denominator will be 10 here. Let 10. And from which number, if you subtract 3, from 7, which you subtract so that the result is 3? Think and write here. Then the number is 4. If you subtract 4 from 7, you will get 3. Understood? So the number is 4 by 10. The missing fraction is 4 by 10. Next question come to this number. From which number, which fraction, if you subtract 2 by 21 from which fraction, so that the result is this? 21 is the denominator. Let us write 21 here. Now, from which number, if you subtract 2, the result is 5. From which number? If you subtract 2, then the result will be, think and give me the answer. If you subtract 3, it was 3 by 21. In the question it was 3 by 21. Sorry, it was 3 by 21. In the question it was 3 by 21. Understood? In the question it was written as 3 by 21. By mistake I have written 2. So from which number, if you subtract 3, the result will be 5? Think and tell me. Yes, it is 8. If you subtract 3 from 8, you will get 5. Is that clear? If you subtract 3 from 8, then only you will get 5. Come to the next question. See, here you have to subtract some from any fraction. 3 by 6 you are subtracting from some fraction, so that the result is 3 by 6. Okay, so the denominator, look at the denominator and write the denominator. Now from which number if you subtract 3 and the result is 3? It must be 6. That means 6 by 6 means 1. You can write 1 also, you can write 6 by 6 also, both are correct. So 6 by 6 minus 3 by 6, you will get 3 by 6. The same question, same type of question I have given here for homework. Something you have to, some fraction you have to add here, so that the result is 12 by 27. Now you know the process, you will do by your own. Next question, question number 5. Javed was given 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? So after giving this one, when it was Javed was given this fraction, then the remaining fraction will be left in the basket. When the basket, the complete one was, you can say that from which number the remaining is 1 means 7 by 7 complete. The whole box Javed was given 5 by 7. From the complete box 7 by 7 means 1 also. 7 by 7, Javed was given 5 by 7. So the remaining portion is 7, 2 by 7. So what fraction of oranges are left in the basket? 2 by 7. That means the fraction is, answer is 2 by 7 part. Understood? Now see, the whole thing is the concept of fraction. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, but try to understand what the fractions are asking, what is the question and what you have to do. First of all, the main thing is what the problem is asking and what you have to do. Understood? Thank you, students.